Hello children, welcome to the chemistry class. How are you all? I hope you are doing well and you are writing the classwork. So the notes has been sent. Please complete the classworks and listen the video and follow the text, follow the video as well as the textbook. Okay, then only you can understand. So till now we have discussed about the air and its constituents, and in the constituents we were discussing about the oxygen, right? So we have discussed the percentage of oxygen present in the atmosphere and its properties and its significance on the earth, so why it's necessary, so everything we have discussed. So today's class what we are going to discuss is preparation of oxygen. So preparation of oxygen in the laboratory. I think till now you have understood about the significance of oxygen on the earth. So let's see the preparation of oxygen. So by heating the mercuric oxide, on heating mercuric oxide decomposes to give mercury and oxygen. So what is the formula of mercury? Hg. Okay, oxide O, but when it decomposes, means splits, it forms into two, that is mercury and oxygen. By heating potassium nitrate, salts rich in oxygen. So potassium is a what? Salt. Salt rich in oxygen. Salt is, what do you think about what we eat? Table salt? No. So this is different salts which are in powdery form. Potassium nitrate, salts rich in oxygen such as nitrates, on heating decomposes to yield oxygen. Potassium nitrate, KNO3, gives rise to potassium nitrite plus oxygen. So in the laboratory preparation, how the oxygen will be prepared? Oxygen is made in the laboratory by using manganese dioxide and 20% of hydrogen peroxide solution. Manganese dioxide is added to a flask fitted 2-hole stopper. Hydrogen peroxide is added drop-wise through a Thistle funnel. The decomposition of hydrogen peroxide in the presence of catalyst manganese dioxide results in the formation of oxygen gas. The oxygen formed passes through the delivery tube and is collected by downward displacement of water. So manganese dioxide is added to a 2-hole stopper. Hydrogen peroxide is added drop-wise to a Thistle funnel. The decomposition of hydrogen peroxide in the presence of catalyst. Catalyst is what? Which increases the rate of reactions. Catalyst are what? What is the definition of catalyst? Catalyst are which increases the rate of reaction. So here in the preparation of oxygen, which is catalyst, manganese dioxide. In the presence of manganese dioxide results in the formation of oxygen gas. The oxygen gas formed passes through the delivery tube and is collected by downward displacement of water, that is 2H2O plus manganese dioxide MnO2 gives rise to water plus oxygen. So this is the laboratory preparation of oxygen. See, corrosion can occur when substance is exposed to air or some chemicals. See, this is the difference between of rusting and corrosion. So why it takes place? So let's see what it is. So what is corrosion? Corrosion can occur when the substance is exposed to air or some chemicals. Rusting mainly occurs when a metal is exposed to air and moisture. Corrosion results in the formation of oxides of metals or salts. Only iron oxide is formed when rusting takes place. For example, a iron material may be a rod or a iron is exposed to the windows or exposed to air without painting. If it is exposed to air, so after few days, what you'll observe, children? You will observe a kind of iron will comes like a flakes. It comes like a flakes. Even if you observe in your kitchen gas stove, so on top of that holders will be there. So that are also be rusted. Why? So when iron is exposed, iron oxide is formed when rusting takes place. When iron is exposed to air, so it combines with oxygen and forms iron oxide, and that comes like a flakes. That comes like a flakes that you might have observed. See, corrosion and rusting. See, the white one is what? Painted one, and this is a metal chain. So, which is exposed to air, it formed like a rusting. See on the top of that. So, a metal, when iron is exposed to air, it forms iron oxide. So, it comes like a flakes, and when you touch it, a brownish color, a brick red color. So, like that, it will come. And after painting, if you paint that, and after if you expose to air, nothing will happen, because the paint will lock the air to pass. See, difference between corrosion and rusting. Corrosion is the process of deterioration of a substance due to chemical, electrochemical or other reactions that takes place on the surface of that substance. So what is rusting? Rusting is red or orange coating that forms on the surface of iron when exposed to air and moisture. And corrosion can occur on different surfaces such as skin, wood, metal, etc. And this rusting occurs only on surfaces of iron and steel when it exposes to air, otherwise no. Corrosion can happen due to exposure to air or spread of chemicals on the surface. Rusting can happen due to exposure to air and moisture. Corrosion can be observed as a skin burn, wood surface destruction or rusting. Rusting can be observed as red or orange coating on the surface. So these are the corrosion means when burning of a coal, that is what corrosion. If a oil spill on your skin, what happens? You can see a bubble, so where air is filled. So that is nothing but what? Corrosion. A burn of a wood, burn of a skin. It might be a chemical or a electrochemical, burning of a metal. So corrosion, like when you can observe that construction places, so what they will do, so they will burn the metal to make it a shape, that is corrosion, a change, a deterioration of a substance due to a, means deterioration means what? Deterioration, change or to modify or to finished product. Okay, or due to chemical or electrochemical or other reactions that takes place on the surface of the substance. Or deterioration, that is nothing but a collapse, finished. So laboratory preparation of carbon dioxide. So this we'll study in our next class. So what is a carbon dioxide and how it is prepared in the laboratory, that we'll study in the next class. Okay children, till then have a good day and please see the textbook and follow the preparation of oxygen. Okay children, till then have a good day. Bye bye.